Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about a very interesting and important topic, programming languages in the IT world. You might have heard many times about different programming languages used in the IT. Before we understand programming languages, let us first understand what a language actually means. In our daily life, we use languages like Hindi, English, French, Spanish, and many others. These languages are used by humans to communicate with each other. For example, when we speak, write messages, or share ideas, we use these human languages so that other people can understand us. But when it comes to computers, the situation is a little different. Computers do not understand human languages like Hindi or English directly. A computer can only understand machine instructions, which are basically combinations of zeros and ones. This also known as binary language, because it is extremely difficult to humans to communicate with computers using only zeros and ones. Then developers and scientists created programming languages. These languages act as a bridge between humans and computers. Programming languages allow us to give instructions to computers in a way that is easier for humans to write and understand. Then these instructions are converted into machine languages so the computer can execute them. The first computer programmer in history is considered to be Ada Lovelace in 1843. Now, what she did? She worked with Charles Babbage, who designed the analytical engine, an early mechanical computer. Ada Lovelace wrote the first algorithm intended for a machine. Her program was designed to calculate Bernoulli numbers. Now the question is, what are Bernoulli numbers? Bernoulli numbers are a special sequence of numbers used in mathematics, especially in calculus, number theory, and series calculations. They were first discovered by the Swiss mathematician Jacob Bernoulli around 1689. Later, Ada Lovelace wrote the first algorithm for calculating Bernoulli numbers using the analytical engine. Now I'll let you know how it was developed. Charles Babbage designed the analytical engine, a mechanical computer concept. Ada Lovelace studied the machine and its operations. She wrote step-by-step instructions for the machine to follow. These instructions are considered the first computer program. Because of this, she is called the first computer program in history. The first high-level programming language. The first widely used high-level programming language was Fortran, which was developed by John Backus and his team at IBM in 1957. Why it was created? Before Fortran, programmers had to write programs in machine language. Zeros and ones means binary numbers. This was extremely difficult and time consuming. How Fortran was developed? IBM wanted an easier way to program computers. John Backus led the research team. They created a language that used English-like mathematical statements. A compiler was built to convert the code into machine code. You can see the Fortran code on our screen, how it looks. Now the question arises, why were programming languages created? The main reason is that we use computers to solve problems, automate work, and make our lives easier. For example, if we want to build a calculator application, we need to write the logic that tells the computer how to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. To write that logic, we use programming languages. Similarly, when developers create mobile apps, websites, games, banking system, or artificial intelligence software, all of that is built using computer programming languages. Over time, many programming languages were developed. Some of the most important and widely used languages include C, C++, Java, Python. One of the most popular and foundational programming language is C. Many modern languages were inspired by or built on concepts from the C language. After C came languages like C, C++, which added object-oriented programming. Today, there are hundreds of programming languages available in the market, and new ones are still being created. In fact, programming languages are now being taught in schools and colleges because computers have become an essential part of our lives. From smartphones and smart TVs to cars, banks, hospitals, and even space technology, software and programming languages are everywhere. If you are thinking about building a career in the IT industry, learning programming languages is a very good starting point. Beginners often start with languages like C because it helps you understand the basic fundamental concepts of programming, such as variables, loops, conditions, memory management, and logical thinking. Once you understand these basic concepts, it becomes much easier to learn advanced languages like Java, Python, JavaScript, or even modern languages like artificial intelligence and machine learning. So if you are interested in technology and want to grow in the IT field, programming can open many opportunities for you, such as becoming a software developer, mobile app developer, web developer, AI engineer, or system architect. I will not make this video too long, so I will stop here for now. If this video helped you understand the basics of programming and careers in IT, please let me know in the comment section. In my upcoming videos, I will also explain how you can start programming languages step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.